What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you that how easily you can install SkinFiner on your Ubuntu computer. SkinFiner is an add-on, or you can say a Windows application add-on for Photoshop, which gonna help you to make your photos or images smooth. Using this SkinFiner app, you can easily smooth up your faces on your photos. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install this Windows application on your Ubuntu computer and how to use it. So further ado, let's get started. So right now I'm using Ubuntu 22.04.1. This is the LTS version of this Ubuntu operating system, and I had already installed Wine. So if you don't know how to install Wine, you just normally open up your terminal, then just here type sudo apt install Wine. And also you can install Wine tricks, Wine 32-bit, Wine 64-bit like this. I will suggest you to install all of these packages on your Ubuntu computer. Then here if I go to my download folder, here you can see I have two exe, the setup.txt and SkinFiner.txt. So you will require these two files to install the SkinFiner on your Ubuntu computer. Now after that, go to that folder or your downloaded folder and right click here and open up a terminal. Now if I type here ls, here you can see I have two applications here, setup.txt and SkinFiner.txt. So first of all, I'm going to execute this setup.txt file. And for this, I'm going to type here wine. Then I'm going to type the exe file name and I'll press enter. And it will pop up with this installer. Now here click on OK, click on next, accept the license agreement, then again click on next, 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 then install. And this software going to install on your Ubuntu computer using the Wine. So now you can see the software has successfully installed, and here you can see the application is now running on our Ubuntu computer. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this SkinFiner.txt file, I'm going to copy it, then I'll click on home, and from here I'm going to enable show hidden files. Then I'll go to .wine folder, then drive C, then program files, and here you can see the SkinFiner folder. Now I get into this folder, then I'm going to paste that file, and also I'm going to click on apply and replace. Now if I click on show application and search for SkinFiner, then I'll click on this icon, SkinFiner icon, and it will open up my SkinFiner tool. Now to import images into this SkinFiner, click on file, open, then go to a directory where you keep all of your images. Now I'm going to open this thumbnail.jpg, this image, and I'll click on open. So now here you can see we have opened the SkinFiner, and you can see it automatically make my face smoother. Also you can tweak all of this option from here, like skin tone lighting, smooth high, all of this option. You can use this template, or you can just manually drag all of this option to make your picture perfect and smoother. So like this you can easily install this SkinFiner Windows application on your Ubuntu computer using the Wine. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you're watching SSTec tutorial, and I'm signing out.